we are back at it with another video. We've got a little unboxing and product that we got in today. I'm gonna open it up and we're gonna find out what's in the box. I got reached out to and for a product, and they thought it'd be good on my channel, and I thought, let's try it, let's find out what it's about. So, without further ado, this box here, super clean. Let's open this box and see what's in here, guys. We got some paper. Oh, my hands are fucking filthy too. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Some paperwork telling us about it. And some different things, some brochures about the different things they carry and whatnot. We've got some degreaser and an aerosol can. Degreaser and an aerosol. We have got some floor absorbent in a little bag here. Oh snap, we got some all-wheel cleaner. So that should be pretty cool. We got some cleaner and degreaser. This is probably going to come in real handy. Little sticker. And looks like, oh snap, they sent us out a hat. Looks like sent us out a t-shirt. So pretty cool, pretty neat t-shirt. Hat there. So we got a t-shirt and a hat. Here. And so yeah, we got some good stuff here, guys. We'll definitely be using some of this stuff in the next few weeks as we work more on the Ford Courier. Fuck my life, guys. I guess it'd help if I turn on a motherfucking camera. So, anyway, guys, that's going to be the unboxing of the Super Clean. We got some degreaser, we got some wheel cleaner, we got some floor absorbent stuff, we got a shirt in there, we got a hat in there. So, pretty excited about this. I want to say thanks to Super Clean for reaching out to me and seeing if these items or these products would be something I could use. I think they will definitely come in handy on some upcoming videos. And we're going to get into cleaning up some stuff with that, with all the products they sent us. But you know, guys, any kind of cleaning supplies, we're out here in the shop, man. We're getting dirty. We're getting filthy. We're working on filthy stuff. We're working on dirty stuff. So anything to clean up, help you clean up, get something shined up, get something cleaned up so you can actually work on it, always is a good product in my book. So, but we'll test it out. We'll test this stuff out and see how good it works, and see if it's something we can use on the channel here. Thank you guys for coming back. Anyway, I'm going to shut up